Talking about angles of movement today. What we talking about?
Angles of movement.
Angles of movement. How you move your feet. All right, to move your body. Using your feet to move your body. Using your feet to move your what?
Body.
All right, the first angle of movement we're going to talk about, because there's 4 different angles of movement that we're going to be talking about. One is forward. One is what? Backwards. We're going left, and we're going to be talking about going right. So the first one we're talking about is going forward. And when you're going forward, that means you are closing the distance on your opponent. On your what?
Opponent.
All right, I want to get closer. I need to get closer. All right. So if I'm in my warrior stance, right, we get a good strong warrior stance. All right. The first thing I'm gonna do, all right, with that foot that's in the front, because I'm moving forward, I'm gonna move that foot first. All right. With my back foot, I'm gonna push off my back foot and go forward. All right. It's gonna look like this. All right. So I'm lifting up my front foot, pushing it forward. All right. And when my front foot goes forward, my left foot comes behind it. All right. How about? Look at it. Look at me. All right, here we go. You see that? You see that? All right. So when I push that forward, the back foot comes with it. All right, so let me see y'all do it. Here we go. Ready? Go. All right, so you got to pick up, push forward. All right, push forward. All right, push forward. Push off that back foot. All right, so stop. Step forward with this foot. Step forward and then bring that one with it. Boom. All right, but you should be back in your warrior stance. Look at the distance of my feet. How about? Look at the distance of my feet. Same distance that I start with. All right, so I push out, boom. All right, so push out with this foot. Boom, and then bring that one with it. 1. All right, so let's get a rhythm. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Everybody with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. No, don't punch. Just move your feet. Look. 1, 2. That's up with the feet. 1, 2. Look. Stay with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. Stay with me. 1, 2. Don't bring your feet all the way together. Look. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, y'all got that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so that's what you're gonna have.